Have you been cutting limes wrong your whole life? I have, and it wasn't until I moved to Thailand that I found out the correct way. Here's how you do it. If you're like me, you probably cut a lime like this, right down the center, and then you try to juice it and it just works terribly. So the correct way to cut a lime is actually to cut it this way around the core. So what you're going to do is you're going to cut down this way, and that gives you a nice slice like this. Now at this point, you can either do the other side, and that will leave you 2 slices this way, or you can even go at an angle and at another angle here. It doesn't really matter, whichever way you want. So next I'm going to cut this side, and then you have 2 other angles right here and right here. And so that leaves you with a core, which you can get the lime juice out of. These 2 small wedges right here, and 2 sides that are super easy to squeeze and give you lots of lime juice. And the bonus tip that my wife reminded me about that I forgot to get the most juice out of this lime is to actually use a spoon. So this is the other thing we learned from Thailand. If you want to really juice a lime well, is you insert a spoon right into the center there and use that as the thing to really get the juice coming out of that lime, and that gives you way more lime juice from your lime. So now you know. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. See you next time, fam.